Hi, today I will show you how to install Windows Server 2003 on a virtual machine. Welcome to the tech setup of Windows Server 2003 on a virtual machine on Windows 10. Your options are on tech setup are press enter to set up Windows, press C to create a new partition, and press D to delete the existing partition. We just created a new partition. Now press enter to install. It takes about 5 minutes. Next, we need to format the hard drive and install the operating system. Once everything is formatted and copied, you'll be prompted to restart your computer. But if you wait 15 seconds, it'll restart itself. Welcome to the GUI Setup, or Graphical User Interface Setup, of this portion of Windows Setup. Follow the prompt according to where you live. If in the US, keep the default, otherwise, customize according to your needs. Complete the license agreement according to your purchase, per server or per device or user. Here we list our name and or business. Type in the product key and click Next.